Good morning. My name is Pranshu Agrawal. I will be doing your thyroid examination. For that, I will check your neck area for any abnormalities in the thyroid gland and for the nearby lymph nodes. Do I have your consent? Okay. Okay, sir. It will take only few minutes. I am inspecting your neck area for any scars, skin changes, or any swelling. Okay.
Hello, I'm Ayatollah and I'll be performing the thyroid gland examination. So now I'll be performing the thyroid gland examination on you and I'll be palpating from behind. Okay, now can you swallow some water? So I'll palpate while you swallow. Just wait. Now while you swallow, I'll be palpating your thyroid gland again.
I'm Ajay. I will now palpate the lymph nodes around the head and neck area. Is that okay? Let's now start with the preauricular, postauricular, occipital, submandibular, tonsillar, submental, superior cervical, and posterior cervical and deep cervical.
Hi, this is Akinamita Megasushma. Now I will be checking for the supraclavicular lymph nodes. So I want you to shrug in. Okay, now I found no abnormalities and that completes our examination. Thank you.